Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your Zoom paid subscription and downgrade to the free basic plan, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Sign into your Zoom account at zoom.us using your credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account Management from the menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Billing section from the left sidebar in your account dashboard. Step 4. Under Current Plans, locate your active Zoom subscription that you want to cancel. Step 5. Click on Cancel Subscription or Downgrade next to your current plan. Step 6. Zoom may ask you to provide a reason for cancellation. Select an appropriate reason from the options or skip if optional. Step 7. Review the information about what happens when you cancel, including the date your paid features will expire. Step 8. Confirm the cancellation by clicking Yes, cancel my subscription or similar confirmation button. Step 9. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which your account will automatically downgrade to the free basic plan. Check your email for cancellation confirmation and verify your account status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.